So I tried to fit everything in 2 videos. So I was a little rushed there at the end, but it just wouldn't work. So this will be real short here. Okay. So here's the cotangent. We plotted asymptote, 0, 1, -1, and another asymptote. So again, tangents and cotangents are very similar, just kind of shifted. So if a tangent has a value of 0 at 0, well, a cotangent will have an asymptote at it there. Okay. Tangents kind of grow, okay, they become more and more positive and they kind of increase from left to right as we think. Cotangents kind of decrease, okay, because they're still positive and negative in the same types of quadrants. So for example, from here to here, cotangents are still positive, okay. From in that same region, tangents are still positive. But when a tangent's growing, cotangent is decaying because we're basically just doing the reciprocal. So it used to be a smaller value. We reciprocal it, it now becomes a bigger value. It used to be a bigger value. We reciprocal it, becomes a smaller value. Okay, so there's off. The asymptotes are just kind of shifted and they're off. They have the same shape, just a different direction. Okay, so the points we're going to use for a cotangent again are these guys right here. Okay, there's your ones for tangents. Here's your ones for a cotangent. Okay, if you want to update those on your sheet. Now, when you do these 5 again, okay, it's only going to give you, you know, maybe this piece asymptote in this piece. Okay, so if you know the asymptotes happen every half a pi or whatnot, you should block those off and really work on trying to get 1 full period. Okay, you could even scoot the points out a little bit and include these guys in here as well. Okay, so tangent of 3 pi over 4 is -1, and tangent at pi is a sine of 0 over a cosine of -1. Whoops, sorry, that's a cotangent. Ignore that. So if we want to do a cotangent out there, that's not going to be right. That's going to be our undefined, okay, because we got to flip it's cosine over sine. Okay, so if you want, you could use these guys as well. Okay, just get me a full period with that. Okay, and you should be able to repeat them as well. Okay, so to kind of summarize it up, sine, cosine, cosecant, secant, all got periods of 2 pi, and they're all graphed from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, that's how we've looked at them. Tangents, cotangents all have a period of pi. They're graphed from -half a pi to 1 full pi. Okay, -half a pi to 1 full pi. For a cotangent, -half of a pi to 1 full pi. Okay, and if you want to, for your cotangents, you can shift this guy over and graph it from here to here, so you get your 5 points again. Okay, so make sure you get a picture of each of those on your grids. Make sure you have the table of points that we're actually going to use, and we'll start transforming these tomorrow.